Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
No.
Current loop video is now locked.
I went deaf on the bitch. Ever since she left me, more money, more cars. Man. God damn, buddy.
Record video.
Thing that's in our lives. That doesn't mean that he's not blessing us in dozens upon hundreds of other ways. The important things for all of us to do is to recognize that just because God has not answered me in this particular way doesn't mean that he is not blessing me in a bunch of other ways. It's one of the things the people of Israel kept in mind even as they were in the midst of slavery. It was completely with they were in incredibly awful circumstances. But when God said to Moses, here's what's going to happen.
God damn it, dude! Why you guys slam on your brakes like that?
Holy. Oh my god, I hope I got that.
Oh, whatever, man. You stole your radio, so you get over and say, yeah, me too. Oh, nice.
They had the same record as the team that won their division. That's, to me, top of the division.
Okay.
Right? Nope.
No,
it's
because
not.
they do an order of the division. Okay.
That's subjective.
You just said, come on. All right, let's keep going. Broncos 1933.
Which I started liking then. Okay.
Just to look like this, it took a long time, yeah. Oh, nice. I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time.
As for me, for Unity Association, I sometimes stand on the porch listening to the evening sounds. The road before me is smooth, quiet, and most importantly, fair. Hey guys, thank you all for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.
We are 99 Sun FM.
You real slick there.
Jeez. No brake lights, no tail lights, no nothing.
Brett turned back to Miles, and then you broke up with Eloise. I did, as best I could. Miles, but...
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.